Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO Reno4 Pro, and let me show you how to block specific number on this device. So actually we can block a number using the contact list, so let me show you how to do it. Let's open your contacts and choose the one you want to block. Now let's tap on this three dot icon, and here we've got block numbers, so let's tap here. I don't want to report it as a spam. Let's click on block, and as you can see, from now on this number is blocked, so you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. So now let me get back, and it doesn't really matter right now if you will be on your favorites, recents or contacts. Simply tap on the three dots icon. Let's tap on the settings, and here we've got blocked numbers, so let's tap here. And as you can see here, we've got our blacklist. This is the number we just added, we just blocked. What's more, we can set the unknown option, so it means that your device will block calls from unidentified callers. In order to turn it on, just tap on the switch right here. What's more, we can add a phone number manually. Simply tap on add a phone number, click here, and now you can manually type the number you want to block. Click on block, and as you can see, it immediately appears on our blacklist, and from now on you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. If you want to unblock it, just tap on this X button right next to it. Let's click on unblock. Let's unblock the number from our contact list. Now let's get back and let's check. Let's tap on Mary, and as you can see, it is unblocked. So that's all. This is how to block numbers in your OPPO Reno4 Pro. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.